Hello, my name is Rose, and I'm coming to you today to just do a quick STEM tutorial on how to make a fun play substance called bubble foam with things that you have around the house. It's basically just water and soap blended together, and it's great for toddlers and babies, but it's also wonderful for older kids to help you make and then for them to play with. We're just going to be using a few ingredients today, and then I'll talk to you about a few ways that you can use this with your children. So what you need today is tear-free soap. I recommend tear-free soap because if you're doing it with younger children, they probably will get it in their eyes. But if you're doing this with older children and you don't have baby soap, you can use dish soap. You'll need a mixing bowl, and then you'll need a mixer. You'll need measuring cup for water and a tablespoon measuring cup if you want to be spot on with your soap measurements. And then this is optional, but it's really fun to have food coloring. I'm just going to make a small batch today of one color, but you can make larger batches. You can make many different colors and create a rainbow of bubble foam. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is put about 2 tablespoons of the soap into the bowl. I'm going to eyeball it, but of course you can measure it if you would like. And then for every 2 tablespoons of soap that you use, you want to have a half a cup of water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And then I'm going to use red food coloring today, and you just need a few drops. So I'll just do 2. Easy ingredients, and then the next thing we're going to just do is blend it with the mixer for about 3 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So I blended this for about 3 minutes with my mixer. You can't see it too well this way, so let me show you. Just get cool foam to play with that's obviously clean. I like to just put this on my son's high chair and give him some kitchen utensils to play with, and that entertains him for a couple hours. You could put this in the bathtub with a few other colors, and the kids can figure out how different colors blend together. If you do it with blue, you'll end up with some purple eventually, and this is even a good way to get your kids to clean some of their plastic toys. So this was just a quick way to make some screen-free entertainment for your kids, and I hope that you can have fun with it.